Hi, friends! Let's learn words together. Listen and repeat. Let's get started! A. Apricot.
A. Ant.
A. Atlas. Good job! Now let's dance! A. Alligator. A. Apple.
A. Ark. Yay!
Dance. A. Avocado. Ha! Avocado. A. Almond. Good job! You did great! You did great learning the words, and your dancing is awesome!
See you next time, our friend.